Okay, so we've come up to Mathematica and we've written a little program that's going to evaluate the product that we were looking at before. And that product involved computing the product of infinitely many expressions. Okay, so how long do you think it's going to take for Mathematica to do that?
Infinity.
Yeah, so we got to just have to approximate. So count is how many products we're gonna evaluate. A, I just called it A. It's going to be what the product is. All right. So we start by just going in a for loop to do the product. I equals 1. I less than count plus 1. Why is it count plus 1?
That's the number of products plus 1.
Yep. So why do I say I less than count plus 1? That's the number we want to do plus 1.
We don't want to do I equals 1 to I less than 1.
Yeah.
That
it's
makes
a less
no
than.
sense.
Yeah, it's how you count in the for loops. I plus plus just means keep counting up. And I do my product equals the product times prime squared minus 1 over prime squared. Whoops. Why is it prime squared minus 1 over prime squared?
Prime is the number. If you do like prime 3, it's the third prime.
Okay. And what were our products that we were looking at?
Prime squared plus 1 was...
Well, we're looking at one product.
Okay. What was the first product? It was...
It was the ones that didn't have two. The ones that didn't have 2's.
Okay. And what was that number?
3/4.
3/4. What was the next one for the ones that didn't have 3's?
It was 8/9.
And what about the next one?
24 25th.
Okay. How do you get those numbers?
Well, so you have to look at the ones. You can either look at you can do 1 minus the ones.
Oh, no, sorry. Just how do you describe those numbers? 3/4, 8/9, 24 25ths. How do you describe those numbers?
They're one of their unit less than 1.
Okay.
Like 1/4, 1/8.
All right. So how do I tell the computer how to make that number?
So we have prime squared minus 1.
Okay.
And then prime squared.
Where do those go?
Those go, so the numerator is prime squared minus 1,
Uh-huh.
and the denominator is prime squared.
Very good. And that's exactly what we have. And so when I only look at one product, what should I get as the answer?
Just 3/4.
3/4. And that's in fact exactly what we get. Now when I look at two products, what two numbers are being multiplied together?
Well, 3/4 and 9/8.
What are they?
3/4 and 8/9.
3/4 times 8/9. And so what should that number be?
It's going to be, well, 3 times 8 is 24. And...
Well, 4 times 9. Well, actually, first we could cancel some stuff.
We can cancel a lot on that product.
So,
3/4 times 8/9.
Well, we can cancel a 4 with the 8.
Here, I'll write it up. 3/4 times 8/9.
we can cancel a 3 and a 9.
Okay.
Yeah. And we can cancel the 4 with the 8.
All right.
Which leaves us with 2/3.
Hey, which is exactly what we get. And so we have a little confidence in our programs, right? So for the first 3 products, I get 16 25ths.
And for the first
For
4...
the first 4 products. So you made an observation that the denominators are getting really big.
But the numerators are getting...
Well, it's not, the numerators aren't getting as big.
No, they're not. I'm going to instead print this out as a decimal. How about to 4 decimal places, just for fun. So I'm getting about 0.6269 now. Now if I do 10 products,
That's lower.
0.6123.
It's getting lower, but it's not getting lower that quickly.
Yeah, 0.6123 here. What if I do 20 products? 0.6095. What did you guys think this was going to?
Well, we thought it was going to 0.
How come?
Because it was getting smaller and smaller. But
Why was it getting smaller and smaller?
Because all the numbers that you're multiplying are less than 1.
All the numbers we're multiplying are less than 1. But it doesn't seem to be getting smaller and smaller. It seems to be converging. I'll go to 10 decimal places just for fun now.
It seems like here...
How about the first 50 products? Remember what we got here? 0.609. 47.
Yeah.
0.60947. The first 50 products, 0.60833.
So it's dropping off less and less now.
Dropping off less and less.
Maybe it's converging to 0.6.
Yeah. Maybe
Like,
it's,
go to like 1,000 products.
well, let's go to 100 first. 0.60833. 0.60808. The 1,000 products, 0.60793.
So it's definitely getting smaller still.
First 10,000, 0.60792.
Ooh.
Do you think it's converging to 0.6?
Maybe 0.607.
Let's see if we can do the first 100,000 products.
Running.
Running. This is going to be a big number, and my program's not set up to calculate this very efficiently.
Running.
In fact, it looks like I've crashed Mathematica, so I don't want to interrupt this calculation.
Avoid it.
Alright, so we'll just wait on that. Okay, so now, last step, okay?
Okay.
Okay.